Good morning, another day and day 7 of our elf today, and we found the elf in the microwave. You see the elf?
It's not, I just noticed it. Why do you run so quick? The elf!
What's the elf doing? In the kitchen, what they're doing? Wow! Oh my God! What is that? Oh!
Is that Tata's elf on the right?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh! Good morning, elf.
Oh!
I'm gonna
Oh! Can you reach your elf?
What's up, babies?
Oh, I don't know.
He needs to get his elf.
Bless you. Oh, look at him! Oh, love him! Look! What are you doing?
I've been doing it in the microwave with the popcorn.
What they're doing?
Oh, Mum, elf! You got elf!
They're naughty, elf.
Enzo, well done!
Well done, Enzo. You found the elf early.
Mummy got it.
It's yours.
Here you go.
Me too. Oh.
You got your little look. You don't know what it is.
Look at that, what they done to the popcorn.
Box.
They make a popcorn last night.
Oh no.
That's why
My God.
I heard the noise.
My
I
God.
woke up. I heard the noise of popcorn popping in the microwave. Thank you.
Me too. Ow.
Thank you, elf.
Me too. Ow.